Okay, this arithmetic progression question is from 2005 O-levels. The first question says, write down an expression for the 10th term of an arithmetic progression whose first term is 5. So a is 5 and the common difference is d itself. We know the expression for the nth term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we have to write an expression for the 10th term. So T10 is equal to a is 5, n minus 1 would be 10 minus 1, which is 9 d. Right? This is the answer for the first part. The second part, the 10th term of this progression is 41. So now we can substitute 41 instead of T10 and we can find the common difference easily. We can take this 5 here by subtraction, that's 36. Now we got to divide 36 by 9. So d is equal to 4. Now we know the common difference is 4. Right. The third question, which term is 85 in this progression? Now we have to make 85 equal to the general term, right? So a is 5 plus n minus 1, d is 4. We have to find n. 85 is equal to 5 plus, we got to multiply, distribute this 4n minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, so 85 is equal to 4n plus 1. Now we can take this 1 away, that would give us 84 equals 4n, and then n is equal to 21. So it's the 21st term, right? Okay. Question number 4. The sum of the n terms in this progression is 560, that means Sn is 560. Show that the value of n is given by the following equation. So there should be an issue in this equation. This should be a minus, I guess. Let's solve it and see. Right. So Sn is 560. That's what we know. Sn is 560. We know the formula for Sn. N over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Right. Now Sn, we'll be substituting the values we know. So Sn is 560. That's equal to n over 2. 2a would be 10 since a is 5 plus n minus 1 into 4. The common difference is 4. 560 is equal to n over 2. 10 plus 4n minus 4. Right? That would give us n over 2 4n plus 6. Right? Since there's a 560 in the answer, I can factorize a 2 out from this. So 560 would be equal to n over 2 into 2 times 2n plus 3. Right? We can cancel the 2's here. So that gives us 560 equals 2n squared plus 3n. Now we are getting to the answer. We can take this 560 to this side. 2n squared plus 3n minus 560 is equal to 0. That's what we wanted. Right? That's it. By solving the above equation, find the number of terms of the progression that should be added for the sum to be 560. So they are asking us to find n basically. So we have to factorize this equation. Right? We can factorize in whatever method we need. So the factors would be 2n plus 35 and then n minus 16. So we can make these two equal to 0, and from one equation we'll get 2n plus 35 is equal to 0 and n minus 16 is equal to 0. From here we'll get n is equal to 16, and from here n is equal to minus 35 over 2, which is not a whole number, it's a decimal and it's a negative value. So a term cannot be in a negative place, it should be in an integral, positive integral place. So the valid solution for n is 16. You have to add 16 terms of that progression in order to attain 560. Right? That's the solution, 16 terms. And then the following question is from geometric progressions. A weed which grows on water covers an area of 6 square meters. So the starting value is 6. A is 6, the first name. The area in which the weed covers doubles every week, which means the common ratio is 2. Using your knowledge of geometric progression, find the number of weeks required for this weed to grow and cover an area of 192 meters. Right? Alright. Now we are going to find n again. Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Now we know Tn is 192 and we know A is 6, R is 2. All we have to do is we have to find n, right? We can divide 192 by 6, which gives us 32. 32 is 2 to the power n minus 1. We know 32 is 2 to the power 5. Since the bases are equal, the indices are equal, 5 is equal to n minus 1 and the value of n would be 6. So it would take 6 weeks for this weed to cover this area. That's the end of the progression question from 2005 O levels.